What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Right behind me here we have a 2025 Buick Envision all-wheel drive Avenir. I'm going to show you guys the exterior and interior of this luxury SUV from Buick. Let's go take a look. But before we continue with the video, make sure you guys hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more car content. Go ahead and do it right now. It's free. Right off the bat, very modern looking front grille, sharp looking LED headlights, and obviously you have your Buick emblem in the front, fog lights right here as well. 20-inch wheels. The car looks beautiful in black with the chrome accents. On the side of each door, you have the Avenir badge. You also have a side camera in each mirror. This vehicle also comes standard with keyless entry. And going around the back, you also have your shark fin antenna, all-wheel drive badge in the back, dual exhaust. I mean, this is a very beautiful, beautiful car. Your gas tank is on the passenger side. And just going a quick look around the car, you can see that Buick did a great job designing this car. And now that I show you guys the exterior, let's go take a look at the interior, because to be honest, I'm dying to go inside. It's about 90 degrees outside and I'm cooking out here. Let's take a look at the interior. Going into the interior, as I mentioned earlier, you have keyless entry and you have your door panel with memory seat buttons, your window control switches, lock and unlock buttons right over here. You also have a storage pocket, premium Bose sound system, your button to open the trunk. You also have an Avenir plaque right over here on the door sill. Now look at these leather seats, perforated for heating and cooling. It says Avenir right there on the headrest. Let's step inside. And right inside, you're met with this beautiful modern looking steering wheel with the cruise control buttons on the left and navigation buttons on the right for your media controls. You also have paddle shifters. Here's your gear selector. And on the left side, you have your windshield wipers. Look at the size of that screen. Couldn't get any bigger. Very nice and responsive, colorful, very sharp looking, modern. I mean, that infotainment system looks beautiful in this car. You have your AC vents with the AC controls. Right over here, you have wireless charging with USB and USB Type-C, one of those. If you don't want the look of that, you can also close it up. You have two cup holders, volume control and media control buttons. Over here, you have a storage. Of course, you have your glove compartment right there. Up here, you have your sunroof controls, because this car does have a sunroof, which we're gonna go ahead and open right now. And once you open this sunroof, you can see that the cabin really lights up. There you have it. Let's take a look at the back seats. Going into the back seats, the door panel also have a storage pocket on the side. You have storage pockets behind the driver's seat and the passenger seats. Nice leather. Cup holders for the rear passengers. And just look at that, guys. I mean, this is a very beautiful car. Let's go ahead and open the trunk. Of course, we'll press this button right here on the door. Plenty of storage space in the back for luggage, golf clubs, you name it. And right there you have your spare tire. Let's close it up. Now that I show you guys the exterior and interior, let's take a look under the hood. To open the hood, you click here like so. So right under the hood, you have that 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, turbocharged, making 228 horsepower, made it to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Says turbo right there. Whole lot of plastic, but that's what you get in cars nowadays. All right, let's close this up. So who is the Buick Envision for? The Buick Envision is not for everybody. Some people will say that it's a car for old people. Some people will say that it's just not their type of car. It's definitely not my type of car, but I can tell you that if you want a nice, reliable luxury SUV with Cadillac quality seats and interior and performance, this is the car to get. This car is the perfect combination of style, comfort, and tech. And including that all-wheel drive system is perfect for snow driving, driving in the rain, even city driving. This is a perfect car. And apart from the heads-up display, you also get, you see it, massage seats. Right now, I am getting a very nice massage from these seats. And let me tell you guys, it's really, really good. If you're going on road trips or if you're just cruising around the city, these massage seats, oh boy. All right, so right now we're gonna take the Buick Avenir, or should I say Buick Envision Avenir, for a test drive, just to see how well it performs on regular city driving. And as you guys can see, it's very quiet. What I like the most about this car is that I'm being massaged by these nice leather seats. I feel very comfortable. The interior feels very premium. And I feel like I'm driving a Cadillac. That's what it feels like I'm driving literally a Cadillac. And I know 228 horsepower is not much, but remember, this is a turbocharged engine. So once that turbo spools up, you can feel the power, you know. But yeah, we're gonna take it out on the street and see how well it does. But so far so good, I can't complain. Also, being a 4-cylinder engine, once you accelerate, you can definitely hear that those 4 cylinders, you know, working. But again, it's not super loud or anything like that. Let's see here on the streets. Okay, I have no traffic ahead of me. Let's step on the gas and see how it goes. Okay, it's not fast, obviously, but it's decent. It's pretty decent. I think Buick did a great job with this car. It's the perfect city cruiser. They did a really, really good job. And like I said, I used to own a Cadillac CTS, and this one feels pretty similar. Slightly better, but pretty similar. Feels very good. I like it. I'm really liking this Buick Envision. You know, I didn't realize until now that I'm driving the car, but there's some gold. There's some gold trimming in here. And I genuinely did not realize until just now. I do think it's kind of weird that you have silver trimming and then gold. That's kind of weird to me, but hey, it is what it is. You have the heads-up display doing its job. And I don't have no traffic in front of me. Let's give it another go and see how it picks up. Yeah, pretty decent. Don't worry, guys. I'm not going too fast. It's nothing crazy. And again, the massaging on the seats is probably my favorite part. I think you have a driving mode select button right here. Let's see. Yeah, you do. You have all-wheel drive, sport, off-road, and tour. Let's put it in sport, and then we'll give it another go and see how it drives. You also have automatic engine start-stop and lane keeping assist. You have your emergency parking brakes right over here. The trimming for your lights. And that's pretty much it. It's a 9-speaker Bose premium sound system in here. That sounds amazing. Okay, so now we have the car in sport. Let's give it another go. Okay, so not a big difference, but you can definitely tell that was a little quicker. It's a good car for city driving. If you're city driving in this thing, this is a very, very good car. Can't complain. Alright guys, so that is all for this 2025 Buick Envision all-wheel drive Avenir. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit that like button to support the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more car reviews. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Keep on driving, baby. See you next time.